Precision is needed because we need to fit perfectly the customer system. So that's why the precision, especially if this component is moving together with other components that can be also polymer components or metallic components. So the whole system needs to work together. So that's why you need the precision. Also because of the materials that we used and because of the expertise that we have in machining the tools to make these components. When we are talking to a customer, we go really deep in their problem, in understanding their hardware. So we see far beyond the single component that we are asked to design and eventually to manufacture. So we can combine different components into assemblies. So assemblies are really a good way to prove our innovation capabilities and really to play in this together with the customer in this innovation playground that we very often talk about.